This is how you are going to change your date of birth or your name or your address or your phone number in your NIN. This is how you are going to do it. Get started, go to your browser and you type NIN modification. When you are going to bring this first website for you, this one you are seeing here, you click on it. And when you click on it, it's going to bring you to an interface like this, as you can see. Now, the next thing you are going to do is to click on login if you have account with them before. But if you don't have account with them, you click on register. Let's click on register. Now, when you click on register, it's going to bring you to an interface like this where it will ask you to put your first name, your last name, all your information. Now, after you put all your information, the next thing you are going to do is to click on next. And when you click on next, it's going to bring you to an interface like this, and the next thing you're going to do is to click on continue. Now, when you click on continue, it's going to bring you to an interface where you put your email address and you click on this valid email address, and they are going to send the OTP. You create it and you put it there and you click on continue again. Make sure you get that OTP and you set your password or your information. Now, it's going to bring you to an interface like this where it will ask you to put your NIN. Now, you put your NIN, you click on continue. It's going to bring you to an interface back again where you put your email address and password, you log in, and it will ask you to verify your face. So you verify your face, it will bring you to an interface like this where you are going to start changing your name, your address, your phone number, your date of birth, everything. You are going to see it here. Then you select the one you want to change. I click on continue. When you click on continue, it will bring you to an interface like this where you have to read everything. Now, after you read everything, you click on this box and you click on continue. Now, you read everything again, the document you need, everything. You read everything here. After you read everything, the next thing you are going to do is to continue. But make sure you read everything here so that you understand everything, and you click on I understand after you read everything. Now, when you click on understand, it's going to bring you to an interface like this where you click on new payment. If you have not made payment before, you click on new payment. So you click on new payment, is going to bring you to an interface where you're going to click on online payment or offline payment. Make sure you click on online payment. So you click on online payment and it's going to bring you to an interface where you start your payment. So it's going to take you to an interface where you are going to select whether you are going to use your card or your USDT. Make sure you select your card because of some charges they are going to remove. Make sure you select card, and when you click on card, it's going to take you to where you are going to put all your card information, and they are going to remove the money they're supposed to remove to change your name or date of birth. Everything they want to remove, they are going to remove it. Make sure you use your card. So this is how you are going to do it, and make sure you get your documents ready, like your court affidavit and also your attestation. If you don't have attestation, make sure you get it ready because they are going to request for those two items before they can be able to change your date of birth or your name. Get those documents ready before you start anything. If you don't know much about that, you can ask me in the comment section. I've also made videos about how you can get attestation. Those videos is in this page, so you can go and watch it and get everything done. So you have seen the video how you are going to do everything by yourself. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section of this video, and share this video so that more people are going to benefit from this video, and follow for more tips like this.